Hey, it's New Year's Eve 2012. Here's a look at Manila Bay from the roof of the condo. Out there is the island of Corregidor, the Bataan Peninsula off there in the distance. Below and in front of us, the Catholic school system here in Manila. And there in the distance is a 15th century Spanish church. And now, this is what it looked like just a few hours later. These are not government fireworks displays. This is anybody with a pocket full of change that wants to buy some fireworks and set off some explosives. Unfortunately, it's also anybody with a friggin' handgun or an automatic weapon shooting it off into the air. Over 500 people injured just in this few hours, and this went on like this from dark till daylight. Just an absolute awesome show. A lot of these fireworks were exploding at eye level. We're on the 15th floor sitting by the pool, and these were coming up from street level and exploding literally right beside us. I'm sure this is a lot like what Manila looked like during the Second World War. The Battle of Manila. Just crazy. This place is absolutely the Wild West. Look at the smoke down in the streets. Some of it from fireworks, but a lot of it from fires. We heard the fire trucks and ambulances running all night. This is in Malate and Ermita, Manila, right beside Manila Bay. But it's all over the city. And this is what it looked like the next morning. The entire city blanketed in gun smoke from explosives. There were 12 international flights canceled. We can't even see Manila Bay. This place is just crazy. I think that's why we love it.